And Chuku Dozier is here. Kai, they want to you, my brother, and nice to have you guys. So let us start by playing this guy's audio. I have a reason why I choose to do that. Why we are here, we are going to not this is not the reason why we are here. We have other things to discuss, especially from DOS, and we're gonna connect it to what is going on now. And I wanted to just publish it as a video with that 3 minute live, but because of I'm trying my best to relax. So I think this last one may be more easier for me to pass the message without delaying it, without waiting for maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow to do that. So here it is. Let's continue.
I want to go on a program. I want to get now 1 year and a day. I want to get Popo or Biaho for his support again. What I know the only baby home is support. Or we get more damage, or we get more. Don't we get what from looking to your attitude. And have you again, Nagina, Dr. Ngosora Bese, or the government, they were what I hear. But no way what I hear no Libya.
The voice you are hearing is Ikeotuonye's voice. Anybody that knows him should call him to come and watch the video. Very, very important, because you know, some people who don't understand or who are not sensible enough, you take people's quietness and calmness for granted. That is how stupid people can be. You ignore the respect. People who want to be peaceful, calm, you take it for granted. You think that quietness and calmness simply means the person is otondo. Really? This is his message to why he's in France. This is his message to why he's in France. Honestly, I did not plan to play this, but while preparing to come live, I came across this audio and credit to the source. Credit to the source. Let me not say much about it. Just hold on.
I like Kuranum Kishu Pia Kidim no Tali.
Negenti.
Epianaya
They are like why is this Pia Kinena or Tara? Among me, if I'm send a private message conversation between him and why is such or he called on a live program and saying this. But the truth of the matter is that everybody have right to say what they want to say. But if you're man enough, you cannot come here. You come to my platform, mass and they won't. Mass na ipogena so GCK nam. GCK name if you name that you go behind and start mocking and talking down on the person. Who does that? And you're a man. You are very the kind of life I live, no, I will be calm with you. But that doesn't mean if I have something to tell you, I will be shivering or start panicking. That is why some of you got it wrong. Let's continue.
I like Kuranum Kishu Pia Kidim no Tali. Epianaya Talija into Putrayana class again. Pia is Tali. Amam Nakilin Naga e John Asina or Maputa, Gomenaho, Utiparego Lazuria. Yes, Kelena, Honoria, hot as well. Kelena Noria no Inerea, the Bona Tuto. Tiaquare 1 night woke Ubakai reports. Omaputo Benaho.
Now, you know what? For the sake of people that may not understand, maybe because I have noticed that some of you just joined, and once you come in, I expect you to like the video. We have almost 50 people watching now. This is 10 minutes of the broadcast, and I want you pay attention to what we are doing here. It may help you in your normal life. The voice you are going to listen again, because I have to take it back.